So first of all, I'll start the bike and then walk up to the truck using my handy dandy little flexible tripod. I'll mount the camera onto the driver's headrest where it can best simulate the exact location of the driver's ears while they're in the vehicle. Unfortunately, the camera can't simulate what's actually in between the driver's ears, but I think a lot of us can attest to the fact that in many cases it's absolutely nothing. So what I'm going to do is open the car here, take the camera, mount it on the seat, right where the driver's head would be. Close the door, engine's running on the car. I'm going to start the stereo. Better than that, huh? How about... There we go. A little satisfaction. Closing the door now. I'm going to go back to the bike. Rev it up to about 2,000 RPM. Just kind of simulate cruising RPM to get it on the stock Harley horn. Well, okay, folks, I'm back. I was excited to see this video, so I took the disc out of the camera, ran up to my computer, put it in to watch the video, and I really had an epiphany here. I was absolutely stunned to realize, as you all did when you saw that video, that we didn't hear that horn at all. So that's kind of scaring me, just to know that when I hit that horn that close to a vehicle, someone driving normally with their stereo on, that they have absolutely no way of hearing me. So what I'm going to do is we're going to do this again now. I want to take a shot at with just the engine running and without the stereo on the car on, just to see how quiet this Harley horn really is. So I'm going to fire up the bike, start it up. The horn is working. There we go. And now I'm going to walk up to the car. The engine is already running. I'm going to go ahead and reset the camera on the headrest. Engine running. No stereo on this time. Windows completely rolled up. I'm going to go back and lay on that Harley horn. Okay. Be right back. Okay, folks, well, that's going to do it for the next part of this test. Go over here and shut down the bike. Okay, so that part of the test was with windows rolled up, engine running, no stereo on. I'll be going upstairs to take a look at this video and see if we were able to hear the horn then. But I think we can all agree that this Harley horn is, you know, it's kind of sick. Here it is again. And I guess just to be fair, I should mention that I don't have the stock cowbell cover on here. What I did was I took an air wing cover, a Harley air wing cover, and screwed a timing cover onto the outside of it to kind of give it a little bit of a custom look. So it's really not the stock cowbell that you guys are used to seeing, but I think it's still pretty much the same sound that you're going to get out of the stock setup. So I'm assuming that I'm going to be able to hear a little bit of that horn on this phase of the video, and the next step is to install this little Stebel Nautilus air horn that you see here, and then I'm going to do my very best to simulate this exact test, replicate everything that we've done exactly the same as it was. I'll do it with the stereo on, same song, same volume, and then also do it again with the stereo off, just so we can get a comparative as to how the new horn sounds compared to the Harley one. So that's it. This is Clint with HarleyTalking.com, and we'll see you down the road a bit.